I mentioned in an earlier blog that I was having trouble getting the SuperCap Magic Meter label to be printed properly or with any kind of accuracy. And so I've been experimenting trying to use toner transfer to put the label to get the a laser printed label. And so this one didn't transfer with the heat of the printer. So what I did was print a laser, a transparency on a laser printer, and I put this right on the bed of the printer and just ran this. I printed this yellow piece on top of it. It did not transfer the toner. So what I did was I just used a hot iron for ironing clothes, and I got quite a bit of the toner to transfer just by heating it up that way. And it's quite a shiny finish because it got so hot it just sort of melted. However, it didn't transfer everything. There's a lot of areas where it didn't do a great job. So I've been experimenting with other techniques. I made the printer go a lot hotter, and it transferred about 50% of this from the transparency, which was a big improvement, but there were still gaps, and I had to iron this one again to get better transfer. And then I did a third one where I really cranked up the heat on the the printer. I heated up the bed. I heated up the PLA to like 255 degrees when you're normally printing it at 210 or so. And it did transfer a lot more. I still tried to do the ironing thing on this one, but it did transfer enough that I didn't have to iron it. There was the label did come out. So it's getting close. I don't know exactly what the full formula is yet. I think I'm going to try using some transfer paper instead of these transparencies. I think the transfer paper will work a lot better. It's going to be a little trickier to get it aligned because it's not transparent. There are transparent transfer papers, so I will try various things, but just to show that there is some progress, and it looks like we will eventually be able to get laser printed labels on 3D prints, so that'll be cool.